This is Bridge House, built by the North British Railway Company to accommodate its chief engineers during construction of the Forth Bridge. The very English, mock Tudor frontage of the house is completely out of keeping with the area. But this design does point to the fact that the Forth Bridge would establish a new connection between English and Scottish railways. I'm told the views from the flats the house contains today are spectacular. Owner Barry Wright is showing me around.
My favourite view.
I can see why. Not just one view, though.
Yeah.
3 different views.
That's right. That's just. And you got a portrait one, you got a landscape one, and you got one in the corner.
From this room, there's a near panoramic outlook, taking in 3 magnificent bridges built in 3 different centuries. The Forth Bridge, the Forth Road Bridge, and beyond it, the Queensferry Crossing.